Hello everyone, I am Tejbir Singh, English Master from Government High School, Sheron District, Taranta. Today I am going to describe the teaching aid regarding adjectives. So, if I ask you what is adjective, so the answer is adjectives are the words which tell us about nouns. Okay, so let's see what different things the adjectives tell us about the nouns. First one is adjectives tell us about the size of a noun. For example, this is a tall building. So tall is an adjective because this is telling us the size of a noun. The adjectives also tell us what is the color of the noun. Like for example, red, orange, green, blue. These all are the adjectives because they are the names of the colors. Next is the adjectives also tell us about the number of the noun. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. The adjectives also tell us how something feels, like cold, ice, hot, water. So cold and hot are the examples of adjectives. The adjective is the word which also tells us how a noun looks. For example, pretty and scary. As flower is a noun and the pretty word is telling us how the flower looks. It looks pretty. So pretty is an adjective used for the noun flower. Then you can see the pic of a giant, and how does the giant look? It looks scary. So scary is an adjective which is describing the noun giant. So pretty and scary are the examples of the adjectives. Next, the adjectives also tell us how something sounds. For example, loud. The adjectives also tell us how something tastes. For example, sweet, sour, juicy. The adjectives are the words which also tell us about the shape of a thing. For example, round and oval. The adjectives also tell us how something smells. For example, stinky, fresh. At last, adjectives also tell us how something behaves, how a noun behaves. For example, slow and fast. We can say slow tortoise, fast rabbit. So slow word is an adjective because this is telling the behavior of the tortoise. Fast is an adjective that is used to describe the behavior of the rabbit. So these are the different examples of the adjectives and the different things that are being told by the adjectives about the noun. So students, today we have learned about the adjectives and the different things that are being described by the adjectives about a noun. Thank you.